Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the differences between mitosis and meiosis. Now, mitosis, the first difference is it occurs in the somatic cells or the body cells. That means in this case of skin, in case of organs, mitosis takes place, whereas meiosis takes place in the germinal cell or the reproductive cell. The second difference is that mitosis is responsible for growth and replacement. For example, an infant grows into a child and that child grows into an adult due to growth, and the replacement of worn out cell also takes place due to mitosis. Now, in the case of meiosis, if we see, it is only dedicated for gamete formation in the case of plants and animals. Now, the third difference is that it takes place continuously throughout life. Now, mitosis is going to take place throughout life, whereas meiosis does not. It takes place only during the reproductively active age. The fourth difference is there are two daughter cells produced in the case of mitosis. That means if one cell is going to divide, it will produce two cells, two daughter cells. Here only if one cell is going to divide, it is going to produce four daughter cells. How many? Four daughter cells are going to be produced in the case of meiosis. Now, the fifth difference is that the full set of chromosome is passed on to each daughter cell. That means if 4n chromosomes are there, it will pass on 4n chromosomes only in the case of daughter cells. From the parent to offspring, same number of chromosomes is going to be passed in the case of mitosis, but not in the case of meiosis. Only half the number of chromosomes is going to be passed on from the parents to progeny. For example, if 4n chromosomes are there, only 2n will pass into the progeny. Now, the sixth difference, if we see, is that the daughter cell that is formed is with diploid number of chromosome. That is, if 2n is there, the daughter will also be with 2n number of chromosome. But in the case of meiosis, it is not so. It is going to reduce the number of chromosome into half. So, a haploid number of chromosomes are present in the case of progeny. Now, the seventh difference is a single nuclear division after chromosome duplication that leads to identical cell formation. Here, after chromosome duplication, two nuclear division takes place. First during meiosis 1 and second during meiosis 2. So, two nuclear division are going to take place after chromosomal duplication. Now, eighth difference is the daughter cells are identical with no genetic recombination, because here the cells which are produced, there is no crossing over. 2n will produce 2n cells. That means they are identical. And in the case of daughter cells in meiosis, we find that the daughter cells are not identical to the parent cells due to genetic recombination that leads to variation. Now, this genetic recombination happens due to the chiasmata formation during the pachytene stage. We have already seen there was chiasmata formation, that is, crossing over was taking place, and here the genetic recombination was taking place. So, there is no identical cells produced due to meiosis. So, hope these differences are clear to you. Do like and subscribe my channel, and do hit the notification icon to get the latest update of the video.